I'm 55 and I have tried over and over and over again throughout my life to try and read the Bible. And I found it scary. I found it hard to read, hard to understand. But this last 3 years, I feel like I have finally worked it out. Now, if you're new to Christianity or you just find the Bible hard to read, and this channel is about learning how God can impact our today with Morning Star Life. I would start with every intention. I would do Genesis, I would do Exodus, then I would get to the Leviticus wall, the laws, and I'm out. And just quietly, you've probably tried the hunt and peck method, which is just finding whatever on the day, trying to find a verse that somehow makes some sense. It never does, because it never will. But with these 6 things, these little things, the Bible will start to come to life. You'll start to understand things and how it can impact your day today. Now, the first thing is we've got to find an easy translation. I mean, King James Version is great. It's wonderful. Everybody talks about it. But if you don't understand it, if it's not in the language that you speak right now, it's not going to mean anything. So the versions I suggest is the NIV or the New International Version. NLT is the New Living Translation, and ESV, English Standard Version. Now, it doesn't matter what they are. It's just got to be easy for you to read and understand. That's it. The next thing is context. Context is key. Also understanding that it's 66 books. It's written in 3 different languages, 40 different authors over a span of 2, 3, 4,000 years. But one thing you will understand once you start getting into it and just letting it breathe is that it's one united story, or shows our need for Jesus and how we can become more like him. There's a lot of horrible things in the Bible, but if you just remember that this is the horrible bits of man sinning, falling, doing the wrong thing, and God, his grace, going over and over, showing us the way, but more importantly, showing us that there is someone specifically that will save us. And I'm pretty sure you can guess who that is. The other thing is to know what you're reading. The whole Bible is made up of poems, prophecies, letters, laws, histories, biographies. They all use a different language and the way they speak, and everything has to be interpreted in the context of who is talking, what they're talking about, and where they're talking about it. And this brings me to number 4. Go slow and ask lots of questions. I guess that's 2 things, but trying to read the Bible in one short piece of time and in 1 week, I just thought, no, I can't do it. Now, the thing that made the biggest difference is going through a Bible app like YouVersion Bible App. Now, I've got details in the description of what I'm going through currently. There's no affiliate, there's no nothing. Just click on the link, go through it. I found the YouVersion Bible App really great because every morning I could just read it. It's only 5 minutes. I just got the picture of the Bible piece by piece, and I was getting the Bible Project videos through the Bible app while I was reading through the plan for the year. It's one story that leads to Jesus. It makes so much more sense, puts everything in context. Just keep asking questions, keep going forward slowly. Now, you might think these next 2 aren't as important, but I feel like they are just as important, if not more. Find a place, a quiet place, and time every day. For me, it's the first thing in the morning, having breakfast. I'm listening to the Bible app. It's talking out loud. I'm just listening. I'm just taking it in, watching the videos. I also need to do this last thing, prayer. Prayer is so important. It's everything. Talking to God, asking him to reveal more to you. And as you're going through this year, there is one thing. It's the SPECK rule, or spec. And if you do that, everything from the Bible will start to reveal itself. And if you want to find out more, click this link and I'll show you how. Go do something awesome for God, and I'll catch you in the next one.